fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox my first kit that I'm going to be doing for my diamond painting event, DP for Pets 2023, which begins on June 1st. So coming up pretty quickly, and I wanted to get this unboxed and get it all kitted up and ready to go. So today I'm going to be taking it out of the box. And what kit have I chosen to do? You can see that it is around. And the very first kit that I'm going to be working on is the Fiona Butterfly Dragon by Dragons and Beasties. And I will throw up a picture of it on the screen so that you can see it. Let me get the plastic off of it here. All right, this is one of the newer kits that I've purchased. I think this was a Cyber Monday purchase, if I'm remembering correctly. So let's dig in this toolkit here and see what we get. Okay, so we get their tray with a stopper, the little glitter tray. We get a bag of baggies. Does anyone ever use those baggies? Like, what do you guys do with these things? I don't use these trays, although maybe I could save them, I guess, if I wanted to test out my tower method again. But these baggies, I won't use them. I have other ones that are less flimsy, I guess. All right, anyway, so the tray, the baggies, you get your little heart-shaped container. There are 2 plates of heart wax in there. We get a pin with a scrunchie, the single placer tip, and then we get a 4 and a 7 placer, it looks like, as extra tips. And then we get a cute little strawberry, winking strawberry cover minder. Are these magnets strong enough for you guys? Do you like the ones that are thin like this? I'm always torn about what people want. Do you want them strong and thick, or do you want the thin ones like that? Leave me a comment below. I'm curious. All right, and then the last thing in the kit here is our washi tape, which is kind of like little painted color swatches. So that's interesting. Okay, so that is the toolkit. Let me set that aside, and then we will get into the canvas here. Now, I looked in the box and I didn't see my little sticker for my logbook. I wonder if it's rolled up in here. All right, let me get this rolled the other way. Now, for my event, I'm allowing all kinds of different things. The theme is pets, but if you wanted to do something else like a dragon or a unicorn or something like that, I'm cool with those too. If I could have a pet dragon, I most certainly would. All right, so let me set the canvas aside here for a minute. All right, so we get our instructions. We get our stickers, our pre-cut stickers for the kit, and then we get our big sticker here, which I also put in my logbook. But do they not include the small ones anymore? Guys, I'm so out of the loop. Okay, anyway, so Fiona Butterfly Dragon, and one of the reasons that I picked this one is because it said it had some special drills in it. Because Diamond Art Club has now started calling beyond ABs, they have the, what are they, the fairy dust and the electro something, which I'm assuming maybe that is. Yeah, I'm curious. I wanted to get into this one. And DP for Pets, this is a smaller one. It's 20 by 24, 51 by 61. So it's not super small, but it's not huge. And something that I think I can complete in the month and still leave myself time to do some other things. So we get 27 colors, 2 ABs plus this Electrum one, or whatever they're calling them now. Here's our drills. So let me go grab the canvas. And before I show you the canvas, this was hiding in the bottom of the box. So I do have my little one for my logbook. And here it is. So cute. It's a round, so hopefully that means it will go quick for me. I love the cute little dragon with the butterfly wings. It's got the little hearts down its throat and belly, and then it's got this just kind of very abstract-y, flowery, pinky purpley background, which I think will be fun. And of course it's Diamond Art Club, so not at all concerned about the symbols or anything. Like I said, we've got 27 colors. This is, what size did it say it was? 51 by 61. So let's measure here. 51. It is almost 51, a couple millimeters short. And then let me turn it this way and measure this way. Make sure the canvas is flat by almost, it's a couple, maybe 1 millimeter short of 61 as well. So 51 by 61, the drill field size. I'm sure it's nice and sticky. I've never had a problem with Diamond Art Club's poured glue. Oh, this is a lot of pinks and purples. This is going to be really fun. I'm really loving all the spirals here in the tail. That looks like a lot of fun. And again, except for the background, the character, the main character piece has got all these black outlines, which I got to admit, I'm really loving right now, that you get to, you know, kind of outline everything and then fill it all in. That's what I've done. Well, I did it with SpongeBob. I did it with Marvin and Daffy, Elizabeth. So yeah, let me just make it so you can see the whole canvas here. So you can see we've got kind of this flowery pink at the top, the dragon with some little curls coming off, the butterfly wings, the hearts down its belly. And then, like I said, when you get down here to the feet, and then you've got this cute little spiral tail, and then all of these kind of purple and pink wallflower flowers or wallpaper flowers. And this is also going to be one that will be part of my artist series, because this is an artist that I've never done any of their canvases before. So I'm excited about that. Let me grab the drills and let's jump in and see what we've got. All right, let's see what we've got here for drills. Lots of pinks and purples, as I expected. So let's look here and see. Now, I did say we were going to have two ABs, so let's find out what they are. We've got a blue, a kind of white, a dark purple. Ooh, there's a white AB, so that's our first AB. A very dark blue, a mauve. Oh, there's the second AB. That's a very pretty peach AB. Love that one. All right, and then those are two purples, 2 bags of that purple. Then we get a slightly darker purple, and then we get 2 bags of another kind of purple. We're going to get all the shades of purple. Are those two the same pinks? Yes, 2 bags of that same baby pink. Then 2 bags of very light purple. A bag of a bubblegum pink, a dark purple, and then like a mulberry pink. And then what do we have in this one? We get, is that the same color? No. It's very close, but darker. Kind of a darker mulberry. We get a kind of a light sea green and then a light green. We get a blue and kind of a light turquoise. We get 2 different shades of sky blue. This one is a bit lighter than the first one. A purple, another kind of sea blue, a very light purple, another pink, and then we've got our 2 bags of the E310. Now, I don't know, I can't see any difference in these other than they are just they seem, you know, like regular 310. I don't see why they would be E310. Ooh, do they glow in the dark? Is that what these are? I need to go look on the website and see what it says. What does E310 mean? Okay, I went and looked it up on the website, and yes, the E310 means that they are glow in the dark. So that's actually kind of exciting, because let me move the drills out of the way here. So all of the outline of the dragon and the edges of the wings here are going to be outlined in that glow in the dark 310, which will be fun. I'll have to, once I get it finished, and I get all the drills on there, we'll have to try it and see what it looks like. And I don't know if Diamond Art Club knows something I don't. When I went to go look it up on the website, it gave me the prices in Canadian, like I'm living in Canada. So I think that's it for me today, guys. You'll be seeing the kit up of this here shortly, I'm sure. And I can't wait to get started. I'm so excited for the DP for Pets event to start and to see what everybody else is going to be working on. So if you haven't already, follow me over on Instagram and join the Facebook group. The links for everything are down below. I will be posting and encouraging you to post as well about what you are working on. I love to see everybody's work in progress pictures and or completion pictures. That's it for me today, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.